your name?
Eddie Wilson.
Well, Mr. Wilson, what do you do in your pastime?
Well, I make YouTube videos, play games like Minecraft, FNAF, etc.
Do you see a future with your videos?
Yes, I do.
How many subscribers do you have on your channel?
I like 23.
23? Well, that's pretty good. What is your channel's name or whatever it is?
TEW58.
What kind of videos do you make? I've heard of one of your famous videos, the hat trick. Any comments?
Well, the hat trick is not my video. It's actually Dobie King Cats, a.k.a. Dustin Fosberg's.
Very nice. So you enjoy video making. What else do you enjoy doing during your pastime? Do you play any games?
Yeah, I just said Minecraft and FNAF.
Oh, that's cool. What kind of software you used in the process of making your videos?
Microsoft Encoder 4. I think that's what it's called.
Who generally films your videos when you're the star?
Well, sometimes I do like selfie, but sometimes I have whoever's around me to be the cameraman. Like example, the one where I'm jumping into the back of the truck, I had my cousin film it for me.
Very interesting. If you could have one movie star, one singer, and one friend to star in your next video, who would they be?
Well, friend's a hard choice. Actor, wouldn't hurt to have Johnny Depp. You're better than Nicolas Cage.
Okay.
And singer, can it just be a band instead? I'd have to choose Imagine Dragons.
Okay, very good. 258, do you have any statements or comments you'd like to tell the crowd?
First of all, it's TEW58.
TW58.
And second of all, go to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. I'm going for the play button. Whichever one comes first, then I'm going to work my way up to the silver one. I think the silver's the lowest. I don't know. I've not kept track of that kind of stuff.
Okay. I think they'll understand. Just a few more questions for you, and you can be released. What will your next video be about, and who, if you could pick one person, who would it be to star in it with you?
Well, I usually film as I go, so it's a unknown variable.
Okay. Do you plan on retiring from the filmmaking field?
No, not anytime soon.
If you had the opportunity to let your favorite movie director direct one of your videos, who would it be?
I don't keep track of movie directors. I just watch the movies.
Okay, then. Can't have that question, then. Thank you. If you had been given another opportunity to be on this show, would you take it?
Yeah.
Okay. One last question, Mr. Wilson. Would you like to give any shout-outs or tell any of these people your channel name one last time and to go watch, enjoy, and subscribe?
Yeah. Well, shout-outs to Miss Marler's 4th period, Miss Shepard's 2nd period, Miss Ross's 3rd period, and Coach May's 1st period.
Okay. You can go.
Oh wait, TEW58.
Wow.